So Matthew from ALM Busy Circuits, got some updates from the new modules that we saw at Super Booth.
Yeah, I've got the final versions here of the Quaid Mega Slope and the MCO. I'll run through them quickly. MCO is a little 6 HP digital oscillator. It's got a morphing wavetable, 10 different waveforms. And then you get like a regular wave output. You get a Alpha Juno style PWM output, which adds like PWM segments to any of the selected waveforms. And then also a nice little sub output as well. And then you get a voltage control over all of that, a sync input, a little type input which lets you change the amount of segments in the pulse output.
Great, sounds really good. So can you just quickly take us through the Mega Slope as well?
So at the moment I'm using the Mega Slope is like a 5-stage function generator which runs in one of 3 different modes. At the moment it's running as a little step sequencer, little 5-stage step sequencer, so I can adjust them. And then the nice thing is these are the levels of each stage that it gets to as it moves along. But then when it's in step sequencer mode, I can change the sort of slew per step, the amount of time it takes to get there, which gives me like nice little slides. Nice little sort of...
We've got that Mario collecting a mushroom sound as well.
Yeah, definitely.
Whoop.
There we go. And then I'll just stop this. And then as well as that, it will run as a kind of LFO. Just adjusting the pitch on the MCO there. As well as changing the level and time of each stage, I can change the slope from kind of exponential to linear, although you probably won't be that apparent on there. And also I can change the length of where it loops at.
So a nice performable multi-segment LFO.
Yeah, definitely. And then it also will behave like a, I won't demo it now, but it will behave like a sort of Juno CZ style multi-stage envelope, sort of 5-stage envelope. It takes a trigger or a gate. It'll also, you can add a sustain stage, you can add a looping sustain stage to it, and then you've got control over the level and the time of each stage as well as the slope and where the sustain stage is. Yeah, and then you get a couple of trigger outs for end of stage, end of cycle, and you've got like a unipolar output, 0 to 8 volts, and then a unipolar, I think it's -5 to +5 volts.
Great. So yeah, these are coming fairly soon?
Yeah, I think these are going to start shipping in about sort of 3 to 4 weeks, roughly.
Okay, have you got rough pricing in mind?
Rough-ish. I think the Mega Slope's going to be about the same price as the Pamela, which I think is about 220 retail, around about then.
Okay.
Somewhere between 220 and 250. And then the MCO will be somewhere around, probably retail around sort of 120-ish.
It's cheap.
Yeah.
For a little wavetable oscillator.
Definitely.
Yeah,
but they're not. I've still got to kind of work out final details, but they're the sort of
few weeks off, roughly around there.
No, I'm definitely going for the MCO. Is definitely designed to be like an affordable little digital oscillator.
Yeah, great. Well, thank you. And if people want more, I should say check out the Super Booth video. We went a bit more in depth in that as well, covering some more features.
There'll be proper demo videos of these coming soon.
Yeah.
To show all the features off properly and stuff.
Yeah, great. Thank you.
Thanks, man.